I've had two bears.
Yeah, we don't.
Morning, Becky. You can have the Joe bring him in whenever. Hold on, Mr. Davenport, I'm looking for your paperwork. All right, so this is in the matter of Nicole Marie Howell versus Christian Robert Davenport, file number 2019-46565 DM. I have Mr. Davenport appearing via Zoom. Sir, it states here you're ordered to pay $411 a month in child support. And as of today's date, we have an arrearage in excess of $2,955. So this is the 19 file. It says here we've never received a payment. Our original show cause was set on October 3rd because there was a referee hearing. The referee hearing got dismissed. All right, Mr. Davenport. So in your case, the child support order was entered. Do you understand that if your arrearage reaches a certain level, you'll be charged with a felony and be facing up to 4 years in prison? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any felonies?
No, I've been trying to get a hold of our support enforcer. I cannot get anybody to return my calls or get back with me. I'm currently unemployed at the moment. They went based off of the PUA that we were receiving.
So hold on a second, Mr. Davenport. You had a referee hearing. What happened at the referee hearing?
You got dismissed and she said that neither one of us had. I don't know what happened, to tell you the truth, Your Honor.
Okay.
The lady said that
I cannot here today adjust or modify your child support. Your child support's entered at the time your order was entered at the time of your divorce, probably. If you had an objection, you had to file the objection back then, or you can ask for an income review, but that's something you have to do through friend of the court. That is not in front of me right now. Do you understand that?
yes.
Okay, so Mr. Davenport, once again, do you understand that if you fail to pay your child support and your arrearage gets much bigger, you could be facing a felony and incarceration? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so how much can you pay on this today?
I just put $80 on it just like 10 minutes ago.
Okay, and are you working?
No, I just said I'm currently unemployed. I'm looking for work. I just got a vehicle going. I mean,
So Mr. Davenport, one of the things I can do is require you to show proof of search of employment weekly and report. Is that something you want to have to do?
I mean, not really, because I'm self-employed.
Okay, another thing I'm going to tell you, Mr. Davenport, if you're self-employed and can't afford to pay your child support, then you need to get a different job. So I have people that work, a second job to pick up and pay off their arrearage. But Mr. Davenport, being self-employed is not an excuse for not paying your child support. So Mr. Davenport, I'm going to adjourn this for 2 weeks for you to make a $400 payment. And I'm going to require you to come in person. Do you understand that?
I didn't catch that last part.
So I'm going to adjourn this 2 weeks for you to make your full, $400 payment. And I'm requiring you to come in person. Do you understand that?
Come in person to make the payment?
No, I'm going to require you to make the payment, and then I'm going to adjourn our next hearing, and the next hearing will be in person. So you physically have to have your body in my courtroom for the next hearing.
Okay, and when can I request a lawyer? I mean, I do have that right? Because through none of this, I've been offered a lawyer or anything.
Well, you don't get a lawyer through friend of the court.
I'm in court right now, though, right, Your Honor?
No, you don't get a lawyer to do an income review, but if you want me to, I wasn't even going to ask you to plea. I was just going to give you an opportunity to make the payment, but I can't.
Well, I have no income, and I'd like to talk to somebody. I'm doing all this on my own.
Mr. Davenport, okay, so I'm going to arraign you officially. I was giving you an opportunity to make your payment. But Mr. Davenport, do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support?
I understand that, Your Honor. I mean, I'll do my best.
If I find you guilty of failure to pay child support, you could be facing up to 45 days in jail. Do you understand that?
I'm gonna do my best to make the payment, Your
Do
Honor.
you understand that? It's a yes or no, sir?
Yes,
Do you understand that you do have a right to have an attorney represent you only on this, not on your child support case? Like, they can't go to court with you to try to get it reduced. But on the whether or not you have failed to pay your child support, do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you at this?
no, I'm gonna do my best to get the payment in there, and I'll be in for the next hearing.
So I only appoint attorneys on the issue of whether or not you have failed to pay child support, not whether your child support is set at the correct number. So we can't appoint an attorney for like a referee hearing or an intake hearing. We just do it on this. Like, so one, did you make your payments? If you didn't, you're probably guilty. Two, if you did, you know what I mean? That's what we do.
All right.
Okay, so do you want an attorney on this today?
No, we should be good.
Okay, so I'm going to set this over. Ms. Adams, let's do November 21. And I'm going to require you to come in person, okay?
Yes,
All right, so we'll set this over to November 21 at 8 a.m. Sir, this is your notice. You'll get one in the mail, but I'm also giving you notice on the record, so write it down. November 21, 8 a.m. and you got to be here in person, all right?
yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you back here on that day. And if you could make your $400 payment by then, I'd appreciate it. And I'll enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. All right?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. You're all set. You can disconnect, sir. All right, Brandon Martin.